ですか?
Huh?
Welcome to Brazil.
Huh? We're not actually in Brazil or San Francisco, as you know. We're still in Portugal, in Lisbon.
Portugal.
And we didn't know, but now we do know, that there's actually a Christ the Redeemer statue, like the one in Brazil. So we're here, or on the up at the top, as you can see right behind us. There he is. Yeah, so I think this is definitely one of the places we recommend that you should go to if you're visiting. The views here are really good. I think it's a little far away from the city center, but it's definitely worth the drive. Maybe like a $10 to $15 Euro taxi or Uber. So
yeah, it's not actually public transport here.
There's a bus.
It's a bus?
You can take a bus up here, but you know, just take an Uber or taxi because it's kind of a far drive if you're staying in the city center. What?
It's not touristy at all.
Why?
No Asian.
Down here by the base, the views are also just as spectacular. If you don't want to pay to go up to the monument, you can just always come down here and check out the views from down here for free. Yeah. No cost. See, look. Looks nice. Views here are just really, really stunning.
Yeah, it's not hot, so we are not cranky today.
Yeah, we're not cranky today. The heat really gets you, and there's a nice sea breeze. I think we're gonna go soon and eat. I think the plan is now to go to Belem and get some of those amazing Pasteis de Nata. So
Pasteis de Nata.
We're gonna have to say goodbye to Jesus for now. Bye. Alright guys, here we are at the famous Pasteis de Belem, where we're gonna try some of those amazing and famous egg tarts. Let's see, is it really good? We're gonna go in and find out.
There's like people here.
Yeah, it's a Saturday too. Alright, we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, here we are at the famous Pasteis de Belem, the super famous bakery for the Pasteis de Nata, the egg custard cakes, the Portuguese custard cakes here. So we ordered 5 of them. Well, you've had them all over the world. I've had them in different ways, but apparently this place has some of the best, if not the best, all over the world. And the recipe is in fact guarded by only 3 people in the world know it. So we're gonna see how good it is. And here they are guys. The famous Pasteis de Belem. Alright, so honest review. Go for it. Go for it. So, what's the verdict? 10 more what?
Order.
Oh really? Wow, she wants to order 10 more. Alright guys, here we go. Actually, so we had one last night from the Time Out Market.
It was good.
It was good, but this is really different. But it's like a delicate like egg sweetness. It's hard to describe, but it's just creamy, very delicate. These are really good. Not like any other egg tart I've ever tried. And it's so fresh. It just like really melts in your mouth, like, but not too watery. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. And it's only €1.10. So definitely when you come here, make sure you buy a lot. We only got 5, but I don't know. I feel like we need to get more. That's so good. Does it have the Mickey seal of approval? And we're done. night. Hey guys, here we are walking around the town of Belem, and to the right we have the Torre Cathedral, but it's actually the monastery. It's a monastery, cathedral in the back. The Monastery of Belem, as you can see, very Gothic in architecture. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. We would go in there, but we're a little churched out. Guys, so we made it across the road and we're here at the Monument of Discoveries, which looks like to be a monument that celebrates discoverers of Portugal.
It's nice. It's like it's hot, but at least it's breezy.
Cool. It's cooling us down. Yeah. So it's a nice day. It's funny, like it's Saturday. I would imagine there's to be a lot more tourists, but it's actually kind of an easy day. Maybe people just relaxing, taking it easy, but so far so good. So we're just gonna walk down the coast and
We found the tower over there,
Belem Tower. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the Belem Tower, all the way down there. Yeah, look at that line. So I think we're gonna skip this one, as we've been to so many castles and towers on this trip. So we're gonna go admire it from the outside. See? See. I think we're done here in Belem, and we're gonna go back to Lisboa, or not Lisboa, but the main area, the city center, because somebody wants to go shopping. So it's our last day here in Portugal and last day in Europe. So we're gonna miss you, Europe.
Yes.
Okay, but we're gonna go shopping now. So see you there. Do you want to get that though? What do we get here? Yeah, so we ended up getting something that was like local product, so that was really cool. What you get there, huh? Scallops with avocado? We found a steak sandwich. That's a price. Alright guys, one dinner down, one more dinner to go.
So we had a fancy one.
Yeah, one fancy dinner, and we're gonna go for some local dinner.
Yeah, one local one.
But first, we must go back to the hotel and have a bathroom break. See?
Bathroom break.
Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Empty break.
Empty break. We searched for an hour for chicken, and we finally found it. What are you doing?
Chicken.
Yeah, so we walked around for an hour, and we finally found a place. Are you happy?
Chocolate. Chicken.
Are you happy? Ah, finally, guys. After a long day, after a long night, we're back home. And all that chicken. See that? Yes, it's a piri piri baby. So anyway, we're so full, we're so stuffed, and we're back and we're just resting because it is our last night in Portugal and our last night in Europe. So we are going to say goodbye to Europe. But the adventures continue, as tomorrow we're going to Japan! Oh yeah! So more fun, more food, more adventures, guys, but for now it's gonna be a good night, so
Adios. おやすみな。